Bühne has been designed for large commercial applications such as airports, hospitals, retail, fast food outlets, anywhere with high volumes of traffic.
The main aim is to introduce a fire-rated wall lining system that takes into consideration most areas. It has a great advantage that it can go to the 3 metres in height, more so that the standard other products on the market mainly stop at year 2.4.
We've been working in very close partnership with Formica, and especially their head of European design, who's come up with a very exciting range of decors.
Bühne is a commercial range of wall panels, and I've pulled that together from mainly looking towards trends for commercial ranges and applications within shows such as Milan and Stockholm, and even more recently Clerkenwell Design Week.
Rearo are trying to be ahead in the design game, and I've worked closely with Formica in developing the Bühne board itself. The colour range is extensive.
We needed to take into consideration that Rearo's 4 key markets, which are healthcare, retail, education and travel. This range needs to be very much timeless and lasting. We don't want people feeling like they have to update with the trends every 6 months. So taking those things into account was what was really important to consider when putting the range together.
Rearo Laminates and Formica themselves have had a partnership for over 30 years. The Rearo Boom Board is one of the sole products that's going to be manufactured within the UK itself. Formica laminate is manufactured in North Shields. The panel itself will be manufactured here in Glasgow.
I've selected several decors from our True Scale range for Bühne, and these decors are really fantastic because the full width of the decor is actually non-repeating, so that really encompasses a much more sort of natural look to the woods and the stones and the other materials that we've developed.